For Windows 11, follow these steps to adjust the paper size. First of all, find and click Control Panel. Find Hardware and Sound and click Devices and Printers. Click our printer driver and click Print Server Properties. Find Forms and click Create a new form. Can be named according to the paper size you are using. Enter your paper size. And click Save Form. Then we can find the new paper size in the list. Click OK and it turned back to Service and Printer. Right-click the driver and click the Printing Preferences. Then choose Advanced. We can find the new paper size that we set just now. Click OK. The paper size is adjusted.